Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Buriti Liss Keratin Treatment Kit, a product designed for all hair types that promises immediate results without downtime. This kit is particularly appealing as it can be used on colored hair, making it versatile for those who love to experiment with their locks. The Buriti Liss Kit features a unique formulation that combines green keratin derived from hydrolyzed cereal proteins with amino acids, all enriched with buriti oil. This blend is crafted to align hair cuticles, ensuring weightlessness, smoothness, and a shine that reduces frizz. Notably, it boasts compatibility with other chemical treatments like perms, straightening, and dyeing. This means you can maintain your desired hair treatments without sacrificing quality. My experience with this product was quite positive. The setup was straightforward, and the application process felt intuitive. After applying the treatment, I noticed my hair becoming visibly smoother and shinier right away. It took minimal time, allowing me to resume my day without the typical waiting period associated with similar products. In terms of performance, the Buriti Liss Keratin treatment delivers on its promise of shiny, strong, and straight hair. After using it, my hair felt significantly softer and more manageable, even after styling with heat tools. The frizz control was impressive, lasting several days. However, there are pros and cons to consider. On the positive side, this product is easy to use, offers immediate results, and is suitable for all hair types. The downsides include its price point, which might be a bit high for some, and the need for periodic application to maintain results. When comparing it to similar products on the market, the Buriti Liss stands out due to its unique formulation and suitability for colored hair. Some alternatives like the Brazilian blowout or other keratin treatments may offer similar smoothing benefits but might not be as versatile in application on treated hair. In terms of value for money, while the price is on the higher end, the quality and results justify the investment for those seeking a premium treatment. The kit's build quality reflects well thought out materials, ensuring it is durable and user-friendly. I interacted with the customer service team regarding usage queries, and they were responsive and helpful, which added to the overall positive experience. Real-world testing confirmed the product's effectiveness. I used it before a significant event, and my hair not only looked great in photographs, but also felt healthy and soft throughout the day. As of now, there haven't been notable updates or changes to the formula since its launch, so you can expect consistent performance. In conclusion, I would recommend the Buriti Liss Keratin Treatment Kit to anyone looking for an effective solution for frizz control and enhanced shine, particularly if you have colored hair. It's ideal for professionals or beauty enthusiasts who prioritize quality in their hair care routines. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will help us bring you more great content. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to get the product in the description box below. Feel free to ask questions or share your experiences with the product in the comments. What do you think? Let's chat about it.